out. Ayan, welcome to my channel, sa Nini Strong Life TV. Ayan, sudik plants ko namatay dito. Tinanim ako, namatay. Tapos dito, wala na rin, namatay din. Ewan ko kung buhay ito. Here. These are cars. Passing my rosin. Okay, looks clean na the garden. After cutting, then I will remove. Wala talagang ano, lumaki na, already big. Yung my squash is no fruits because it's not enough the sunshine. Not enough the sunshine, that's why my fruits and my vegetables no fruits. And this one only the tomatoes had fruits. Oh, only tomatoes had fruits, but still green. Look at that, still green. Many fruits, oh, but still green. You guys. This is paprika. Also no fruits. This year really no fruits. Oh, the fruits of paprika only this. Too small. Still small. Still small. See? How can become big that if I have no sunshine? Not growing big. If not enough, if not enough sunshine. Oh, only that the fruits. It's not enough. No fruits. It's the fruits of this. The squash, nothing. Wala. Walang bunga. So, then, so here my plant. Also only flowers. So really useless my plants this year. It's really no fruits, only this. Wala. This one also my fruits are still small. Look at that. I think this is melon, watermelon. Oh, it's still small. How can you eat that? Still small. This one too. This also squash. Let's see. We will look when had fruits. Oh, nothing. No fruits. God. Walang bunga. Let's see this. This is the style of vegetables. We will check if have a fruits. This is upo. Just like squash but long. Ayan, bunga niya, oh. Lit. Oh, very small. This is your fruits. Small. The fruits very small kaso. Oh, the upo. The fruits very small. Still small. Another ano na, flapnet. Sira mo na naman. Ito lang sira, kaya wala na tayong gamit. Wait lang. Bumbirin, nag-weeks with that, what is up na. Yun tag mo sa bahay, ito yung garden, yung ay nasunda, yun tag. Wabit ko na. So, nag-weeks na naman, ida. Weeks with that.